How to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the YouTube application on your device, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen. You will see various options here. Tap on your data and YouTube option. Here, you will be able to browse or delete all your YouTube activity and discover how your data makes YouTube and other Google services work better for you. Scroll down and under YouTube Watch History, you will see the option for Manage Your YouTube Watch History. Tap on that and now tap on Interactions. Since we want to delete all liked videos on YouTube, tap on the Video Likes and Dislikes option under Video Interaction. Now simply tap on the cross symbol beside the video and your liked videos will be deleted. You can delete them with just one tap. Now go ahead and delete the videos that you want. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.